So, you feel like learning Blender, especially after seeing animations like this and you think, wow, I wish I could do that stuff myself. But you don't even know how to remove your cube, how to put anything else in your scene or animate it, for example. You just don't know. Hello? Do I seriously have to Google how to delete something? Then you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Vincent Köhler and I've been using Blender for about a year and a half now, making my own funny little videos on Instagram, but I've also worked a lot in this area professionally during this time. But most importantly, I have taught a lot of Blender to many people, so I have a lot of experience teaching Blender and I'm pretty sure that I know what the best way to use Blender is. This course starts with the absolute basics. It teaches them to you as quickly as possible so we can get to the cool stuff. You will learn all about rendering, compositing, motion tracking, and effect shots like this one, for example. In addition, all simulation types that exist in Blender are explained in detail so that at the end you're ready to create your own. I'll show you the power of dynamic paint, which can create really cool stylistic renders, and many interesting nice nodes which will definitely help you. For example, how you can make your own backrooms horror film. I also get to the point as quickly as possible in these tutorials. I want to give you as much information as possible, as quickly as possible. That might be a bit too fast for some of you, but there's also accompanying material for each section in the form of a PDF where all the most important shortcuts and everything is mentioned in. For me, it's very important to bring this across with wit and joy, and I hope you will pick up on that. And that's why you can look forward to a complete Blender course that contains everything you want to know and at the same time is not boring but also fun to watch. And all this in just over 10 hours. Okay, that's enough about me and this course. If you're up for it, we can start right away. Let's go!